Hi, my name's Louise Hart. Welcome to my tutorial. I'll be showing you how to play Death on Two Legs by Queen. So it is one of my favourite in the world songs ever. I still remember when I first heard it and I realised my dad had really good taste in music. And I was completely blown away by Brian May's guitar. So if you're not Brian May, which obviously I'm not, and I don't play lead at all, there are some compromises that have to be made. You know, it is just me and I haven't got a band, but you can make a pretty good stab at being able to play a song you love, and that's what I love about doing arrangements. So we're starting off with a B minor, okay, but it's not a bar, you've just got the first finger, and the reason for that is that you're going to be moving it around. So I haven't started right at the beginning. I will show you that in a minute. I'm showing you the chorusy riff, if you like. So first finger, as if you were doing a B minor, but it's just there. So you can see the finger moves. So we're going. I'll go through that again. Now at this point we change over, so the third finger moves up and the first finger takes its place. Back again. And I'm going to play that again just so you can hear it. Now you've got choices you can make. When I'm playing it, sometimes I play it right down here because it's got a far more brittle sound, so I'll play the difference now. We come to the next part. So you're going to make an F sharp, and you kind of do like a flamenco. I do like a flamenco. Then some finger picking. So I'll go through that again. So you could do what you like there, but that kind of just echoes, if you like, it's a little nod to what goes on in the actual song. Alright, and we finish off with that B minor with a full bar this time. Now you could stick with the B minor down there, but I like to come up to here and play a B minor 7 in a jazz chord shape, okay? Now I know other people might finger this differently, but I'm going to finger this one with my second finger here, muting the next string, and then my third finger sits up here. Okay, so you're going to move that shape all the way down. All right, and that's part of the reason as well, because it just makes it nice, a nice sort of tonality going on there. So I'm going to go through it with you. So nice and slow. You suck my blood like a leech, you break the law and you breach, you screw my brain till it hurts, you've taken all my money and you want more. So you go down to the F sharp, you want more, and then I do like a little. So I'll go through that again. You suck my blood like a leech, you break the law and you breach, you screw my brain till it hurts, you take all my money and you want more. Misguided old mule, so I've come up to a D shape here. Misguided old mule with your misguided rules and your narrow-minded cronies, you are fools of the first division. C minor shape. So they're all pretty straightforward. And then what we did at the beginning, we're going to sing over this time. So, death on two legs, you're tearing me apart. Death on two legs, you never had a heart of your own. So the second time we go to the A, heart of your own. And then we've got an F sharp shape, but I'm going to be playing F sharp 7. You could play this. I just prefer playing this. So all this is first finger, second finger, fourth finger, third finger, because you go from here to here. Okay, so we go killjoy, bad guy, big talking, small fry. You're just an old barrel boy. Now you found a new toy to replace me. Can you face me? So again, we've come up here. I'm going to go back down to the B minor. So now you can kiss my ass goodbye. Feel good. Are you satisfied? Do you feel like suicide? Is your conscience alright? Does it plague you at night? Do you feel good? I feel good. Now that is just another F sharp 7. You could go, I feel good, but I don't want to. I'm up here. Feel good because okay, then you'll be back to the second verse, and that's basically it. Okay, now if you wanted to play the first part, you know, the bit at the beginning which is all really dramatic, it's just there, and you can get a little bit of a vibrato on it if you want, and then you'd go and there it is. All the chord shapes with the numbers of your fingers for fingering are on my website. The link is below. I've written out the lyrics as well with the chords, so it's pretty easy to follow. And if you'd hit subscribe, then you get to know every time I've put on a new arrangement. Thank you very much.